Reverse technique with dual tips is possible, and in this video, I will teach you. Let's get to work. We need the coffin tips from Legacy Nails, to which we are going to add a small silicone mold to give the smile shape. Use Legacy Nails, Hard Gel, and Vision Gel to create Sasutsit, the free edge. I suggest applying this step in layers to ensure complete drying and prevent superficial drying volcanoes. And if you're wondering if they last, yes, they last long because we're going to finish structuring with the Legacy Nails Smart Builder Jet. This will serve as an adhesive and will finish giving strength to the structure. We pre-cure the surface so that the lamp does not move for 2 minutes. And so easily, in 1 minute of video, we finish these beautiful structures. Then you have to seal them with Legacy Nails' brilliant finish to achieve such a spectacular result. And if you liked it and want a second part, comment dual.